Let's make some easy origami corner bookmarks. All you need is some copy paper, scissors, and some glue. Fold your paper to a triangle and cut off that extra piece. With the fold at the bottom, take the right and the left corners and fold them up to the top. Make good creases. Open that back up and then fold one of those top corners back down to the fold. You're going to take that right and that left corner and tuck it up into the pocket, making some good creases. Then you can decorate them any way you want. Cut some ears, a nose, and eyes, and draw a few stripes on the side, and you've got yourself a tiger corner bookmark. Aren't they cute? Of course, you don't want to forget those teeth, do you? Have some fun with it. You can do anything that you'd like to do. How about a frog? Those legs kind of look like chicken drumsticks, don't they? Anyway, cut some legs, glue them on, make some great eyes. He's going to look up at a little bug that I'm going to put on his forehead. The last one is a fox. I don't know why I made it purple, but it's cute. Glue on those eyes, ears, draw yourself a nose, and there you got it. And then you just take those little bookmarks and you slip them onto the page of your book. No more dog-earing your book. Isn't that cute? Complete instructions for the easy origami corner bookmarks is found at welcometonanas.com. Come join the fun.